go to the sample database and just go to the tables, scroll down, and we are looking for the table product review. So just scroll down and you can see the table product review, and this is the table we are going to use in this scenario. Let's see the data within this table. And you can see many columns in this table, but for this scenario we need only 3 columns, and this is the third column which we require in this scenario. So let's rewrite this query to display only the 3 columns. The first column is going to be the product ID. The second column is going to be the reviewer name, the person who left the review for the product. And the third column is going to be the rating column. And let's execute this one. You can see the output for only the 3 columns. And you can see the product IDs and the person who left the reviews and the rating they left. For every product ID you have a rating. Let's see the requirement now. The requirement is to display the output in a more understandable way. So it means like if it is 1, need to display as poor, 2 means fair, 3 means good, and 5 means excellent. So if you come back to the output, these are just numbers. We want to display some meaningful text. So that's what we are going to do in this scenario. So let's rewrite this query using the case statement. So this is the syntax for case. It ends with an end. So this is the syntax. And within this case statement, we are going to write the conditions. When it is going to be 1, then we need to display, just refer the notepad. 1 means we need poor. So we are giving this condition within the case statement. And next, when it is 2, then we need to display as, let's see, as fair. Just write it here. And if the rating is going to be 3, then we need to display good. Type it here. And if the rating is going to be 4, then we need to display as very good. Just copy and paste it here. And finally, if the rating is going to be 5, then we need to display as excellent. So if we see the notepad, we have the requirement as excellent for rating number 5. So just type in excellent. So next we'll execute this query. Now you can see in the output for the product ID, we have the rating in a more understandable way. Instead of just numbers, you can see the text for each rating.